Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from the Cryptomania app. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So first, some people ask you that the app was legit. So whatsoever due to the earnings on the app and inabilities to withdraw. So let me just quickly, before we head back to the main parts of this video, let me just type this, just want to make things known to you guys. Cryptomania does not provide opportunity to win real cash. You cannot exchange your winnings for real money. So let me just explain all this. You think of some videos that are showing you guys how to withdraw. They are doing this and doing that. All those kind of stuff, like the app is not fake. Like you just know the app is actually real. But you should know that this is a simulator, and simulator is just like real life. Like we are just like emulating what's happening in the real life. So let me open the app first so that I will just be using the app and be showing you guys. So you are just emulating what's happening in the real life simulator needs. So this is just like, for example, let me just say a Forks demo account or demo account where they give you funds which you use to trade. So instead of actually trading now, you can use it to trade. Just like use it to learn how to trade. Well, that's normally how someone just give you $7,000 for registering, dollars for completing, just a beginner to engage on the app. This money you can't withdraw. You can just use it to practice how to trade crypto. Practice anything you want on this platform when concerning withdrawal is a no service video. Those videos are showing how to withdraw the online with just one click with views, and the rest are fake, so don't fall for them. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from the Cryptomania app. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.